Every morning, a Sikh Granthi fondly visits this home with so much warmth and devotion, chanting Shabads that gently echo through the space. It brings a sense of peace and spirituality that really sets the tone for what we have tried to create here. Hi, I am architect Shalu Gupta from La Luna Design House. Today we are in Ludhiana at this beautiful home called The Solitary, designed by us. For detailed chapters and PDF ebook, visit buildify.com. The link is in the description. The project is in Ludhiana. The plot size is 500 square yards. The built-up area is about 7,000 square feet. They're a young family of 4, a couple with 2 kids who are 5 and 12 respectively. This is a Vastu compliant house. We enter from the east. The first thing when you enter the house, you see a whirling dervish painting. And the morning light falling on this painting makes everything look magical. Then we move to the right. This is the drawing room. The drawing room window opens to a courtyard. So this is the soul of the house. This is the water body and we have adorned it with basalt stone. We have created stepping stones in the same color of the basalt stone. In the basalt stone, we have created these niches and arches which add to the mystical vibe of the house. Children enjoy this area the most. There is a retractable roof above which brings ample sunlight. Now all the windows of the drawing room, the puja room above, the 2 bedrooms stacked above each other, they all look towards the water body. If we talk about the importance of the water body, this is our double height area and this is where the retractable roof is. This is our lattice brickwork. This is where the hot air enters the house and rises up and leaves the premise, keeping the house very cool and calm even during the hot summers. On the left, there's a kitchen. And the family likes to eat in the kitchen. So we have created a very cute nook for breakfast for 4 of them to sit. And this is where the private area starts. This bedroom is a master bedroom, or we can also call it a day bedroom, with a toilet and a dressing area. This is the private living room for both the bedrooms. We take the staircase and come to the first floor. The entire house is done in neutral palettes, but because of this dark polish on the wood and chocolate brown powder coating on the MS railing, this brings in a lot of warmth and a statement. Coming here, this is the lobby, which has the marble inlay area. This passage goes to the puja. Now this is also northeast. This is the most auspicious area for a puja room. As we go ahead of the passage, on the right there's the son's bedroom. Son's bedroom has a balcony which overlooks the water body. On the left, this is the master bedroom. We have created 2 walk-in wardrobes. One is his and one is hers, which are both ultimately connected to the toilet area. The entire area of the first floor, the lobby area, is flooded with morning light because of the east facing. The architectural style is a blend of modern and classical. We have tried to maintain the clean lines. The exterior has seemingly small windows than the interiors. In the interiors, we have used soft HDHMR moldings. We have used Italian marble on the floor with intricate inlay works. The marble that we have used is Nora Grey, locally sourced. It's an Italian marble. To give drawing room and puja room elevated entrance doors, we have created French doors and windows with black framed Georgian bars to give the whole space a very plush feel. So this house, we can call it understated, but it is quite luxurious. You know, sometimes clients are not able to express what they really want, but we need to make an effort to understand their needs. So now when I see them enjoy the space as they wanted to, I feel very happy that as a designer, I've done my job.